Hello again. I've just found myself a quiet spot to sit in the shade and have a drink of water. And my actual location is in a place called the Elephant Village. So I'm hoping to see some elephants today, and I'm just going to pause the video and have a walk around to see if I can find an elephant or two. So I'm walking along this little dirt track, and I hope to find some elephants. They have places where you can buy food for them and feed them. So I'm just going to walk down this way, see if I can find an elephant. I can see two elephants. They're looking, see if they can find some food. There's a lady on a stall nearby, and the tourists come along and pay some money to feed the elephants. Just looking in the little plastic bowls, it looks like today the elephants are eating carrots, and I think it's something like an aubergine or cucumber. So the elephants are just waiting for another tourist to come along and see if they can be good enough to pay some money to get a little basket of food. Let's just see what's happening here. I can walk along a bit further. Nice to be close up to the elephants. They even do elephant rides here. I've seen, I saw one or two earlier, so I don't think there's been so many tourists today. So let's see if I can walk back. Just walking around. Oh, the person who drives the elephant, if that's the right word for it, is called a mahout, and he sits, I suppose, on the elephant's neck, and behind him there's a little seat for the tourists to take a ride. I'll just see what's up here. I think I had thought there was some up here. Oh, it looks like they sit over there or something, or stay over there, the elephants. Perhaps they're out walking around already. Oh, I think it's an elephant. I can see an elephant in the distance. I think he might have some tourists on the back of him. I'll just take a little walk down there. See for the elephant and the tourist. As it happens, there's so much glare. I think they've just got the seats on the back of them, and no tourists ride at the moment. But they're all there ready for the next visitor to come along and take a ride on the elephants. Let's go under this tree. I don't think I'd want to ride on that one. He doesn't seem in a good mood. Let's have a look. Oh well, marvellous creatures to see in the wild. I'll sign off now and I'll see you in the next video. Take care all at home. Bye bye.